If you've gone into your local Genius Bar or called Apple support to get your aging iPhone's battery replaced, you might be aware that the company will perform a diagnostic test physically or remotely on your device to determine whether the device is still capable of retaining more than 80% of its original charge capacity or not. Previously, the outcome of this test would determine whether or not your device would be eligible for a free replacement under warranty. If the device was still capable of retaining over 80% of its original battery capacity, users would have to pay Apple's $79 fee. With the iPhone throttling controversy still going strong, the discovery of this information on Apple's iPhone battery power repair support page led to some concern that Apple could be backing out of its decision if a customer's phone didn't pass muster. While this skepticism is understandable, it appears it was unwarranted this time around. Though the company hasn't updated the relevant support page to reflect this information as of writing, Macrumors has confirmed that Apple will agree to replace an iPhone's battery for $29 regardless of whether or not it passes the company's diagnostic test, marking yet another concession towards the customers.